Do you want to be able to water your plants gently but don't know which product will do the best job? You know, I get a lot of emails asking me which products that I like to use in my greenhouse and my gardens, and today I'd like to share with you which water breaker head I use in my garden because it does such a great job of watering the plants without damaging them. So I've been using the water breaker and water wand for over 30 years. So this is my water wand. It's over 30 years old. This is made by a company called Dramm, and they make the heads and the wands. This is a brand new one that I just bought the other day, and purple, how fun. And this one, it has an on-off, so you can stop the water here, which is kind of fun. The old one doesn't. But regardless of which one you have, these things are fantastic. So the reason that I chose these products so long ago is the way that this water head works. There's like 400 holes in here, which really breaks up the water into a very gentle spray. And I use this for seedling trays or big plants. And the other reason I chose this and would still recommend this product is its durability. Like I said, this one is over 30 years old, been in the greenhouses, use them every day, so it's just pretty amazing. I love these. So let me show you how I use this tool. So we're going to hook up to the hose, and I'll show you how I water seedlings and how I water the bigger plants. Alrighty, so let me show you how I water a bed. So what I want to do is I hold my wand very level so that I'm watering evenly, and I do it like I was coloring in like a color book page, so just back and forth. What I do not do is flip water like this. This does not water evenly, so you want to just hold it nice and steady. Now if you are watering seedling trays, you don't want to stop on top of a seedling tray. So if I was doing a seedling tray, I would go, let me get a seedling tray. Okay, so I use this for my bigger plants. I also use this wand for my seedling tray. So what I do is I go over the tray, I stop away from it, turn and go the other way, stop off the tray, come back. And that's how I water my seedling trays. And that's how I keep from moving my seeds when I have the seeds just in the tray. So, all right, so one other thing is the professional ones. If you get a professional one, these are actually made out of metal, and the ones for hobbies or just home gardeners, the casing here is made out of plastic. So you can get this head came with this wand, so that came as one set, but you can also buy the heads separately that are metal, and I really love the metal ones. They hold up really well. All right, so let me show you how I maintain these. One of the first things that you need to know is you got to set these down gently on the ground, because right here against where the threads are for the head, this will crack if you're continuously dropping these on the ground. So I've had to replace quite a few wands because it's not repairable when we crack them there. So number one is you want to set it down gently. Now, number two is you don't want these to frost. So this is one of my heads that actually I left outside with water in it, and you can see that it cracked right here and it ruined this head. So now water just squirts out the side, and it doesn't do a very good job of watering. So you want to keep those out of frost. Now the third thing that I do to maintain these is sometimes they fill full of dirt in here. And so what I do is I will unscrew them from the hose and put the hose on the top, and I run the water backwards through it, and that's how I clean the dirt out of the heads. So that's just a really great way to keep your Dramm heads clean. You know, I really love the Dramm water heads and the wands, and one of the things I love about it is they're made in the USA. So what I'm going to do is put a link in the description below if you would like to get a water breaker or a wand. And these would make really great gifts for any gardener in your family.